Hello and welcome to the lesson. Today I'll show you the advantages of CSS layouts over table layouts. To start off, let's go back in history a bit. Here's what the eBay homepage looked like in the year 2000. I'll switch to the next tab where you can see how eBay looks today. Not only has the design changed, but also the method of creating the layout. I'll switch back to the first tab and display the source code. Notice that there is a large number of tables consisting of many TR and TD elements. The individual tables are nested within each other and create a very complicated structure. This used to be a very common way to create website layouts. And how do we create layouts today? Although the eBay website has grown a great deal, the code of its layout is much shorter and simpler. Notice the large number of div elements. Div elements are the keystone of every modern layout. Their order and appearance are usually defined in an external style sheet. This is also the best way to separate the actual content from appearance definitions. The result is a better code which is much easier to work with. I'll open another panel, load the smashingmagazine.com website, and view the source code. The advantages of CSS layouts are even easier to see here. Notice that the code is very well organized. The layout mostly consists of div elements. Many of them have their own identifier, which refers to an external style sheet, where positioning and appearance are defined. This results in a better code and makes the orientation in it easier. These are the reasons that you should always use CSS and corresponding HTML elements to create website layouts. On the other hand, you should never use tables. To make everything as clear as possible, I'll show you a simple layout without any other content. In the website, you can see only the layout and the names in individual identifiers. In our case, it's the header, the navigation, the content, and the footer. Let's take a look at the source code. You can see a very well-organized and commented div structure. The width, height, position, and other appearance-related properties of the div elements are defined here inside the style element. Possible adjustments could be made in a matter of minutes. If I used tables to create this layout, I could very easily get lost in the number of nested TR and TD elements. In addition, possible changes would take much longer. Tables should only be used for their original purpose, which is storing table data. Take a look at the following example. There's no need to use div elements because this is an actual table. This means that using the table element is an advantage here. The source code is also well organized. Notice the repeating pattern, which is 5 cells in one row. So to sum up, it's important to distinguish between table data and website layout. In this lesson, you learned that website layouts should be created using CSS and corresponding HTML elements. For table data, you should keep using tables. Thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you the next time.